Oh my God! Look! Oh my God! That guy's stupid. Oh, you just got hit? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well,
Hey! Hey! God.
What the?
Serious? Christ. Oh my God, bro. Bro. Somebody just hit me, bro.
Are you serious?
I'm dead ass. because I witnessed it.
Go past this right, then, at the next one, turn right onto Center Road.
What the f?
Our low down around 40. Tomorrow, sunshine 56 on your Thursday and sunny 53 for Friday.
News Radio 1250 and 1055. WGL now ready in progress.
Oh my God!
Drums, what is
And
it
that
about
guy's
the
gonna
orchestra
run
created
off.
John Concerto?
He was mixing it up. Now jazz is left to the side. Let someone play the golf.
Oh God! Okay.
Manufacturing and onshoring plan in which they have a lot of details that they need to fill in, which most routers are actually manufactured outside the US. Surprise, surprise. Even when they're designed by a company in the United States, and there are things that have showed up in the past that may